Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. Builderfly has an easy solution that comes with the feature of bulk product listing. In the last video, you have learned to add products one by one to your online store. To offer greater variety to your customers, the more products you have, the better it will be to gain greater exposure on the web. However, this one by one product listing is a time-consuming process. To simplify this, Builderfly has an easy solution that comes with the feature of bulk product listing. To start with it, from the One Management section of your dashboard, go to Products and click Import. Here, you can upload your product catalog at once and make it instantly live on your store. Before adding your product catalog, you need to add the images in the Image section. Simply drag and drop images in PNG or JPG format and click Upload. Click here to download the sample CSV file. In this file, you will find all the product attributes, titles, and a sample product listing to refer and update all of your product information. We request you to add the product information in here and click Save once done. You can drag and drop your updated product catalog here or browse your inventory file and update it here. Once done, your product catalog will be updated and you can view all the details of your latest product updates in the View section. Now that you have seen how the product import feature works, you can try updating products in bulk on your online store. And if you feel stuck anywhere, feel free to reach us. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.